Okay, this is just to show you about the Majorica cases. To have the perfect result like this, with very smooth linings and very smooth seals around, I recommend really to purchase a cellophane roll which is exactly in the right dimensions. This one was regular for a CD jewel case, and this was absolutely perfect. You always have to check the dimension of the box. It should be the length of the box, and then plus at least minimum half of the side, or the length of the box plus the height of the box. This should be the minimum size. Please add 2 or 3 millimeters so the cellophane is actually overlapping. So this box is around 10 centimeters plus 3 meters high, 3 centimeters high, and the cellophane is around 15 centimeters wide. So this is pretty much perfect. Just to show you what happens if the cellophane is too long. For example, this box, the cellophane is too long. Let me show you what happens. This is still okay. Since it comes from a roll, this doesn't matter. But here you can see when you overlap the cellophane, it's going over the edge, as you can see. This cellophane is too wide. This is actually just the smallest cellophane I have available at the moment. What happens if it goes over the edge? The finishing is just not perfect, as you can see here. It's still acceptable, but it's not perfect, as you can see. This is the result we have now. You can see here's a little tiny edge. I think it's still okay, but it's as I said, it's not perfect. We do provide, for example, a knife with that, but the knife also, it does not slide the cellophane 100% correct. So what I did for these samples now, I just cut off a little bit of the side of the cellophane, in this case. This is how I made actually your samples. As you will see, the result on one side is perfect, but on the second, it's not. Okay, this is the first seal. This is still the same. As you can see now, this is the side I cut myself. This is the side of the regular cellophane roll. So make sure that this side is always showing up when you do the second run. This is a perfect result. This is the one I cut myself with the heating wire. It works, as you can see, but it's just not so nice. This is the perfect result. So what I recommend is purchase the same white, so you have an exact roll for each of your products, so you have a really 100% result. If you change your product, put another roll on. This is what I can recommend you. With all the samples I have here, it's always the same. As you can see, one sealing is not perfect. The other one is perfect. This is the regular edge, this is the one I cut. So if you get the samples, don't wonder why is one so smooth and one is always a little bit crispy, the edges have been broken out a little bit. It's still, I think, acceptable. The thing is, this is the smallest roll I have. If I have to order another roll, I have to order a minimum batch of 10 rolls, which I will not do before I have a final order for this machine. Okay, thank you very much.